Hello everyone, how are you all? I Aishwarya and welcome to my channel. So, wedding season is there and we all are so much excited to do lots of traditional fashion or ethnic fashion and we always have a question that what to do, what to wear with the outfit as we always thrive to, make something unique or have a unique look. So, with that thought only, today I have made this pretty brooch, which it's quite kinda unique and it's very easy to wear and it's easy to make and very comfortable to wear for the whole day and we can easily you know use it uh, and we can usually style it for our mehndi or haldi function as it's very cute and elegant and it's very easy to make also. So I really enjoyed making this brooch for you all and I hope that you will also enjoy watching this video. If you like this tutorial, do give a thumbs up. If you are new here on my channel, I request you to subscribe to my channel and also press the bell notification so that we can meet on a regular basis to make such amazing jewelry making tutorials like this in the future. And now, without wasting time, let's get started. Here we need chain of 10 knots, then take laria and 0 size pearl in that, then teardrop bead and 3-4 laurels and also add this chain that we took and just wrap it around. So at the end of this wrap it around. It's very easy and looks so cute. So at the end of this now take 30 gauge wire and wrap it in the last loop. Then we will add this 3 red crystal bead in this and again add one chain. And so repeat the process twice. So we have to insert total 3 chains. So we will keep on inserting this. So guys, if you are new here on my channel, please do subscribe. I'm just so happy that we have completed 1k subscribers right now and it's so amazing experience to have see that mark of having 1k subscribers. It's so much motivating stuff. So just keep on adding these pearls and chains. So we will add total of 3 chains and just do it. And I also have an Instagram page named Sajiri Creation wherein I post amazing photos and videos of this. So if you haven't subscribed to my channel, do subscribe it. I haven't followed it there, do it. So in this way we'll make 4 of these and at the upper part we will make simple chain. So now with the help of 30 gauge wire again we will attach these 2 chains at the end and then I'll add one crystal bead over here and then we will add these upper chains with the help of this. So again add the last loop and wrap it properly and the same process will repeat to the other side. So I'll quickly do that. This already had wire, so we'll add bead and then just wrap it around. So this one we will now attach to the necklace dori. So with the help of jump ring we will attach. So first we'll add the jump ring in this hole and then go to one hole over here, just add the necklace dori and repeat the process to the same side. And that's it. With this cute Mundavali is ready. Isn't it so easy and very pretty? So if you have a wedding coming up, do make this Mundavali at home and do let me know how was your experience. And also again you can make this in pink also. So now for the second one we will make the flower. So we will make the pearl flower that we usually make. So first this take this oval shape bead and then add this in the wire. Also add the zero size sorry just this golden bead and then wrap this wire and take it out from this pearl, then carefully just knob it, then come to the other end and add this pearl and golden bead and then again take this wire from this pearl and just wrap it over here. So in the same way we'll make the flower of 8 petals and then at the end we will wrap it. So I'll quickly do that. So this is so pretty. So this is also so pretty because it had these cute flowers. It just that it takes a little time to make. So I have made the flower, and now we'll add this 5 mm crystal bead in this, and then just wrap this wire around. So we will, that's it with this. How this flower is ready. I'm not adding any other extra beads over here in. So likewise we have to make three more, totaling of four. Now we will take this gantan mala to make this mundavali. So for this end one we will make some tassels of beads. So take laria and add this jhumka cap, and then add any bead you have. I had this designer bead in red, so I'm adding that. Then add again jhumka cap and this some l'oreals, and this one we will attach to the end of this gantan mala. So you can see there is a hole to the gantan mala, so add it there and just wrap it in the same way. Repeat to all the holes. Now let's form this shape of mundavali. So now I have idea that how much is needed, so I'll just quickly do it by my hand, but you can just simply attach it to your forehead and just see how much it needed. Now at this corner we will add sorry, add this flowers. So take two flowers and with the help of 30 gauge wire wrap them to each other properly, and then this one we will attach it to this corner. So I will quickly do that. You can just follow the process that how I have done this. And if you have any wedding coming up, you can also buy the jewelry from my page. So follow me on Instagram. I have given that link in the description. I have amazing offers also coming up on for my followers, so do follow me there. And if you have any requirement of haldi jewelry or mehndi jewelry, you can always DM me on Instagram. So in this way we will wrap it around, and yeah. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, guys, please do a favor that please subscribe to my channel. I'm really trying my best to grow out my channel on this platform, and finally I have completed 1k subscribers. It's so amazing. Thanks. So at this end also, once we attach the flowers, we'll add the mundavali right here only. We won't attach it later on the way we did first. So in the same way I'll attach to both the sides. Now I have attached. So we will cover this back side with the fabric. So I have taken this fabric, golden fabric, and with the help of Fevibond glue we just attach it, and we will just cut the extra part so that whoever is wearing it will wear it smoothly and enjoy their function. So that's it, guys. So do let me know what's your new year plan. New year is coming so soon. It's been few days now. It was an amazing year, right? So do tell me know how was your year. So our that Mundavali is ready. Now for the next one, we will make the formation like this, the way we made in the first, like the previous one. And then to this end, we will attach these chains of 15 loops, and then again the gantan mala. So so you can just open this gantan mala and or open this loop and then attach the gantan mala over here. I won't add any jump ring or 30 gauge wire just for this. So either you open any loop and then just also close it very firmly. So so at the end of this chain again we will add this gantan mala, and in this way we'll make three more like this to make total of four lines. So I'll quickly do that. So I hope guys till this time you must have subscribed to my channel and thank you so much. And did you watch that Hina Khan inspired tutorial? It's so amazing, right? I have got amazing response in that. On the upper section, guys, we will add a simple gantan malas and we'll add this cute gorgeous kundans. So now with the help of 30 gauge wire wrap these two ends, and then we will add this our kundan over here. So there are holes to this kundan, so just insert it here and then add this upper side gantan mala. So there are holes to the gantan mala, and then just wrap it from this. And again at the same time guys, I'll add this uh, necklace dori. So in the same way we will repeat this process to the other side, and with this that our neck mundavali will be ready. As I'm making it for the very first time, I'm just using the words as necklace or earring is ready, it's not in my hand. So yeah, it's ready. So isn't it so pretty and easy to make? So do try to make this at home. If you like this tutorial, do like to the video, do subscribe to my channel to watch amazing jewelry making tutorials like this in the future. Thank you so much for watching my video till the end. See you soon on the next video. Till then, this is Aishwarya signing off.